Welcome to Sitara Ka Safar. In today's episode, we're diving into the earth sign energy of Virgo. Known for their practicality, critical thinking, and dedication to perfection, Virgos live by a deep sense of responsibility and efficiency. Join me as we explore everything that makes Virgo one of the most organized and analytical zodiac signs. Virgos are best known for their analytical, practical, and detail oriented nature. Their commitment to understanding every nuance of the world around them makes them exceptional problem solvers and skilled workers. Virgos are typically methodical, efficient, and disciplined, always focused on improving themselves and their surroundings. Virgos often prefer to stay grounded, keeping their emotions in check while focusing on practical outcomes. They are excellent at assessing situations with precision and careful thought. A Virgo's life is about continuously evaluating their progress and making sure every small detail aligns with the bigger picture. Their obsession with precision and improvement often drives them to perfectionism. Unlike other signs that may seek outward recognition, Virgos are typically most comfortable in the background, working diligently behind the scenes. Their nature can be seen as reserved, but their sharp intellectual ability keeps them constantly analyzing and improving. Virgos are natural critics with an eye for detail. They break down situations methodically and ensure everything is done with efficiency and care, whether it's their work, their health habits, or their personal life. A Virgo's approach is one of discipline and clear eyed examination. Despite being introverted at times, they make an impact with their subtle, practical ways. Virgos are highly health conscious and maintain a keen interest in cleanliness, order, and structure. They believe in self improvement and organizing their environment to reduce chaos. Because of this, they are often seen as reliable and trustworthy people who are always prepared for what lies ahead. Virgos tend to be thoughtful and intuitive. They are excellent at assessing situations in detail and making informed decisions. They don't rush their judgments, preferring to weigh all options before coming to conclusions. Their sharp intellect often allows them to solve complex problems with ease. In relationships, Virgos can be reserved yet deeply caring. They prioritize stability and routine, but show their affection through practical acts of love. Their calm and practical approach to emotions might seem distant at times, but beneath it lies a deep, loyal connection. They value loyalty and consistency in their partners and rarely entertain uncertainty in love. Virgos can sometimes be overly critical both of themselves and others. Their perfectionism can become burdensome, leading them to excessively focus on small flaws. They may also overthink or become anxious when they aren't perfect, leading to stress and worry. Additionally, their desire for order and logic can sometimes lead to rigidity and inability to relax or be spontaneous. Virgos excel in careers that require precision, organization, and analytical thinking. They thrive in fields such as data analysis, accounting, healthcare, research, teaching, and editing. Jobs that require attention to detail and the ability to break down large tasks into smaller, manageable steps suit them well. They are drawn to professions that allow them to serve others or improve systems and structures. As natural problem solvers, Virgos are highly valuable in any position that demands accuracy, efficiency, and productivity. Whether it's organizing a project or improving work processes, Virgos can bring calm expertise to any professional situation. Virgos are motivated by a drive for perfection, competency, and continuous self improvement. They don't want their talents to go to waste and make a concerted effort to stay focused on their goals. Their disciplined mindset leads them to expect a high standard from both themselves and others. Virgos are ruled by the digestive system, so they can be susceptible to issues with the stomach, intestines, and nervous system. Their focus on routine, both in terms of food and exercise, typically keeps them in good health. However, stress can lead to digestive issues, ulcers, or appendicitis if not carefully managed. That concludes our exploration of Virgo, a sign dedicated to excellence, service, and making things better, one detail at a time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Sutaraka Safar for more zodiac insights. We'll be back soon with another deep dive into the fascinating world of astrology.